Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Tinatet venikeno. So we use wa. Esiesi ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obe mwa. Je na ko try she.
Thank you, Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene, not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Abusiafo yamamu akwaba ediba Ghana TV eso ebraso sasam hodwa yaboaboa no yede ebeso mo kasebo kwanso wei eye Ghana TV kasebo yimu ensembi a obete enese Mampeni na nado dankwa ekufuado ede na probo no edu epiema ntemu yebekwa kopiemu wo ho ne yahwede ekoso ho afei so osofo bi a wo hwe owo Zambia man ni mu enso ede hinta sembia efa MPP osono amanyokuo no ho ede ababe tudwa yebedo mosuko na yahwede oka ebusa sembi eka we ho ena yesi nkonwa yede ebesomo se Ghana TV kasebo edi amejeso eye da chihima ajiwa na mekai o senyumeku obi ena asoma sensi kafemo ema mitumi edi kaseboi ebesomo glitter and glow skincare eye nkupapa ebeboa ama honamani atoso ayefe ayekama afe so gina organic foods nso eye nuane papa abedwama nso eboa ema apomodin ejina brand Tinatet heba yenru papa eboa ema eni meme nyina ewo sa akwa no so ebusiafo mi twa me ho sema age edwedie krato me ba yebeto aso Abusiafo yamamu akwa babiem ediba Ghana TV eso afe yemfree ensamono ase mampeni na nado dankwa ekufuado ede na probo no epiemu ewo epieye mantemu na abra wo kopiemu wo epieye mantemu oko Republic FM edi nsembi ekwotu udwa na ninsemu ena ochiremu se ochitumu pa se oman ni mu ayede ntimemufo ekasa oman ni mu ayade a eyade se eye nokre na ehunsu bobo nyina ode ebebo ya fanwo ensa ehun ezanse adichi ni adise bia no fanwo bo ekosoro eno ka hu bie ena ama oman ni mu ayeden na emom se abai no ebo homodin asa kwan bia so odin hihye ebegu aproso ama eniama etimi ejina ne nanso hihye ni bi eye free SHS ena planting for food and jobs 1D1F ni nyina ye nhihye ya ebeboa ama Ghana etimi afa ne ntuma pa edi efra afenso ebeboa ama ahoche bebrebe a ewo oman Ghana mu no etimi efri ho na asetime mufro predodo asa ye pre ye no mo kwan no eja fufuo no ye predodo entitime mufo enya botere emfama no na bibia ebetimi aye kama.
Story that is going around. First of all, infrastructural development across the country has been impressive. I mean, there's still we know one of the things I want to say, developing country, and one of the issues is our infrastructure. But then so especially I think that is one area which me all across the country. Yes, we'll be able to say particular places acquire some more, but nevertheless, you look at it and all, it's very impressive. Another very impressive aspect of things are Abwa, especially during this very difficult time, and the success of the Planting for Food and Jobs program. And as men say, Ebiane supplies have continued to be very, very purposeful. Usually economic difficulties, but one of the areas where to be who said impact here direct is food supply. But across the country, baby, I make on food availability there. And akosuro. And I think say no you need to and you for inputs say petrol out of free food number chrome imports imported items this animal also the level of education says this originally very controversial policy. No, it's a Ghana for the free SHS.
That's right.
And also see wherever I've been going there. One, the policy is working. Two, access. No, it's true. It has been really broadened. Many more people are going to the schools than they were before. And after the infrastructure of the schools, expansion, so very impressive.
Ebusiafo ayanto akase bono so na mrahye bedwani ede man not tongu abatwa empeswa ne so eye onuyamfo Samuel okujeto ablakwa ono so ede nsembi abetodwa na ochemu se kamia kwa ese mampeni na nado dankwa ekufuado eye nhwehwanimu adwuma esan sa wohwe ba bia ya memoni esika sam ho ntoto ye akodru na ade se de ohaw ni amane ni ahokyere pa na abesue timemufo eso na de hia mampeni se woye ne se eye kan oforiata woye finance minister ene womo siasa woye economic management team no enka wasa mampeni abone homodin senka wobeyi womu efri sa dibre no wapa wafofra womu betimi aye adwuma no ede abehye ho enso sanze mampeni ye nhwehwani mu nti ontimi enyi womu efri ho de ebeka bia na enya ade mampeni etie enu nti mampeni ambomodin se aprobo a wobo kwa mantam ahodo no enya ade ehia de ehia ne se obeyi kanoforiata edi womo wasiasa woye economic management team no obeyi womu nyina edi efri ho. Ebusiafo yenko wie kasebo no ewo Zambia man ni mu na osofo bi a ye frɛ no Elijah King ye osofo wedi ni duma ewo Zambia man ni mu no de hinta sembi aba betodwa efa MPP amanyoku no ho na ne nsemu na ochemu se eye apato a ebeba so ewo 2024 mu no mentimi hwase bi ebe peja ni mu ewo MPP osono amanyoku ni mu ema ebenam so ema obaakofo ebe kwa akote ne ho ate ne party na odi asrafo tumi ebeba beje abenwa no ema wodi ohaw kese pa ene bebre Ghana man enu nti gidifo nyina enka won humbom na won mompa ye enti asade no.
This is what the Lord showed me. The Lord showed me that the present government of Ghana, that particular government, there's going to be confusion in that political party. There's going to be confusion in that political party, the NPP party, New Patriotic Party. There's going to be confusion, and they will end up fighting each other, setting each other up, and exposing each other. There is this race of the next presidential candidates, which they are to contest and choose from. I'm not going to go into details in what is going to happen, but there is one particular man among the presidential candidates that are to contest for that position of presidential candidate. There's one particular man in that particular party that the Lord focused on and spoke to me about. So that man, he is going to be set up by his own people and by his own party, and they will betray him. And out of that betrayal and anger, he will walk away from his party and set up his own political party. Because he has a lot of money and influence, he will buy people. And the Lord said, this man, if he becomes president, this is what he is going to do. And what I saw looked like a military government where whatever he says is final. People were living in perpetual fear because whatever he says becomes the word of the day. Nobody can disobey. If you disobey, you get arrested, you get imprisoned, and sometimes you get shot and killed. This particular man. And what shocked me the most about this man is that the angel of the Lord that stood next to me said, this man is an antichrist. Go on your knees and pray that that man never rises.
Ebusafa hana brema kwan ma yedi kasebo no ebesie na me kai wo se dwumekuo bi ene so ma sene sika femu ma metumi edi kasebo yi ebeso mo glitter and glow skincare eboa ma hunamani etoso eyefe kama afen so gina organic foods nso nnuane papa abedwama nso eboa ma opomudin egina brand Kinaata herbal ebeboa ma omama yom esipi esita afen so ebeboa ma oba nso ahimfie ho ayefe kama ede amawo edi amecheso daachi hima ajiwa nati na mekai wo say wo hwe me a Ghana TV live wo Instagram, YouTube na Facebook inti bomodi ansa wo be subscribe wa like ni wa share ama afufuro bi nso etimi ahwe bi na ase kase enkoma production crew makramo.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di no ya mabobo swina. Enu ne dia shetina te 230 herbal. Wo ya bema na wo no mu a, emma wo hode sunkuma wo gira wo na so timi badwuma. Emma energy, stamina, and vitality. Emfa wo ne adwuma wo ye. Enu ane se wo benum bi, wo be badwuma sa wo mreda. Kinaata 230 herbal. Eye yen konkwa. Power to the people. Me try 230. So I what feeling? Hold on, me back. Kinaata 230 herbal.
Yeah! Kinaata 230 herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra ofasa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne all man e banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.